His portfolio, once a source of anxiety, was now a testament to the power of long-term investing. He had learned that in the world of investing, time was his ally. Joe, now a seasoned investor, often shared his history with new investors. He likened short-term market losses to passing clouds in an otherwise clear sky. Don't let the fear of these clouds make you lose sight of your long-term goals, he would say. He emphasized that investing is not just about making money. It's about creating a future. It's a journey where patience, knowledge, and a long-term perspective are the compass, the map, and the sail. The story of Joe's transformation from a fearful short-term trader to a confident long-term investor is a tale of learning and growth. It's a journey from the stormy seas of fear to the calm waters of wisdom. In the world of stock market investing, the waves of short-term losses are inevitable, but with a long-term perspective, one can navigate these waters with grace and reach the shores of financial stability and growth. This story is a reminder that, in the vast ocean of the stock market, it's the long voyage that leads to the most rewarding destinations.